Today we are going to be customizing shoes for 24 hours.
Damn!
Y'all sit back, grab some snacks, and enjoy the process.
Let's do this.
Alright guys, so I got my 6 pairs of shoes. We're gonna start cleaning the factory finish off of the shoes, unlace them all, and then we start taping them up. So let's do that. Alright guys, so we are about an hour in. Show you all the time right there. Let's tape. Now we're gonna figure out some designs to put on these. So for these SB highs, I'm gonna go with a Grateful Dead design. I'm gonna do a little tie-dye, but yeah, let's start with that one. First, we're gonna remove the swoosh with the x-acto knife. About to print out the Grateful swooshes, so hopefully they turn out pretty good. Alright guys, we got about 18 hours and 30 minutes to go. I got the swooshes cut out of the Cricut machine. It's coming along. I'm still kind of happy. It's fine. I'm not too tired yet, but we'll see. In about a couple hours I might be. Alright guys, so I just put the stencils on top of the leather. Now I'm gonna cut these out, and then we're gonna add the second layer of suede under that. So it's gonna be fire details, guys. Come on now. So I'm getting these cut out right now. They're looking hella fire. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and make more stencils for the other shoes. Quick update, I got the swooshes done. They just got to get painted. I'm waiting on some stencils over there. We're still in the first shoe, but like this one's gonna be a banger, so hopefully I have time for the rest of them. If not, I might have to go past the 24 hours and keep going for you guys, but we'll see. I know it looks like I haven't done a lot, but I promise y'all I've been grinding. I'm making all the stencils right now. I'm working on these swooshes. They're gonna be so sick.
Coronavirus!
Then I'm gonna start tie-dyeing the SBs. After that, I'm gonna start tackling all these Air Force Ones. Let's get it!
Yo, Parks Hard, what up, boy? I got you some Mickey D's.
My guy.
Alright, got McChicken. Boom.
Don't throw the lettuce everywhere.
Got a McDouble. Boom. Yeah, we didn't ball out, you know, we got him the essentials and another McDouble. That's all he needs. 2 McDoubles,
Simple thing.
1 McChicken. Back to work.
Alright guys, I got the painted tie-dye done. Now it's time to actually mix the real tie-dye. 1428. Woo! After almost 12 hours, just finished the first one, but y'all can't see it till the end, so please wait till the end. Look at my hands for this. Second one, finally. Let's get into it. Left. I'm working on the Dior print right now. It's taking me a while. Finishing up the second shoe. Looks insane. But yeah. Seems like it's taking a lot of time, but really it's just a lot of detail. So we're having fun. Really tired. got 3 hours left. So right now I'm just drawing in all the squares. I'm trying to make it look like a handbag. So and I just want the squares to be perfect because once I do the squares, I'll know exactly how the layout is when I airbrush. Thank y'all for tuning in for this long. Thank y'all for watching me cringe, watching me look stupid. But this was a fun challenge. But yeah, comment what y'all want to see next, and then we can make it happen. So I'm out. Peace.